The recruitment process of Deloitte had 3 rounds. First was a written round. The students, around 50 students were selected on the basis of CGPA. The CGPA criteria was 6.5, I guess. There were 20 questions. So some were from mathematics, some were from English, and logical reasoning was also there. They were basically they were very easy aptitude questions. 5 questions were from English, and around 15 were from mathematics and logical reasoning mixed. Second round was a GD round. There were 72 students who were selected for the GD round. They basically divided us into groups of 6 students each. Then they gave each group was given a case study. Our case study was based on a fertilizer company. There was no R&D process going on in that company, so they gave us some statistics based on which we had to decide how the work should be carried on so that the company makes profit. So we were also given a chart, and we had to write all the whole conclusion on that chart, and then we had to present it before them. So it took they gave us around 5 minutes to think about the case study. Then they gave us 5 minutes to discuss it amongst ourselves. During that time also we were marked on the basis of our performance, and then they gave us 5 minutes for presenting the whole conclusion in front of them. The third round was an interview round. There were 45 students who were selected for the interview. The panel was divided into 6 panels, and every student was given 1 panel. Mine was the 6th panel, I guess. In my panel, there were 2 people. One person was a HR in that company, and one was related to the technical field. As soon as I entered the room, they asked me not to take their names. If I take a single name, they'll deduct 5 marks for each mistake. To this question, I answered that I am very hardworking. I am very dedicated to whatever work has been given to me. I always try to meet the deadlines and always try to do the work in the best possible way, and I have always achieved success in that. Since I am from electrical background, I don't have much idea about the programming languages. So I answered that I just have some basic idea about C and C++, which I started in my first year. And then they asked me to solve a simple algorithm which was based on mathematical calculations. I solved it, and they were happy about it. To this I replied that I completed my second year training in NTPC Anta, third year training in PHL Haridwar, and I was about to start with my final year project. So I explained a little about that. Then they asked me questions about my third year training, which I explained in detail. To this I told them about Neuron, what was Neuron 10. Neuron 10 was the annual technical fest of our college. Then I explained about what was my role in that team, in the core team. Then they asked me about what all hardships I faced during the work. I told them about that. Then they asked me that how I got that post. So I explained that also. And then they asked me what all I have learned from that core team and from working in that Neuron 10. So I explained that also. I told them that I was really careless before, and I was a very short-tempered person, so I became a better person when I came to college. These 4 years have improved me a lot. And then I told them about the extracurricular activities in which I have participated. I have participated in all activities, be it dance, sports, or managing other events, and I told them in short about all these things. This was a really difficult question for me, so I finally replied that I freak out when I am working in a team because I care much about the details of the work to be done. So then they asked me, I also told them that I start doing all the work by myself because I try to meet the deadline as soon as possible. So then they asked me that how will you improve upon it. So I told them that I'll be doing a final year project, it's a team project, and I'll try to improve myself in those 6 months. And then they told me that the interview is over, and then when I was leaving, I asked them that, so when should I join Deloitte? So they both saw each other, they started laughing, and then that HR manager, he basically started counting. September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. 10 months. If you join, otherwise, thank you. I would suggest that if you're from CSIT background, then you need to focus on your technical skills also, because I am from electrical background. They didn't ask me any questions from the CSIT field, but from you they might ask you questions. And secondly, I would say that you need to stay focused on whatever qualities you're best at. Tell them about your best qualities, explain them whatever you have done in college. They will see your personality, they will see your communication skills, nothing else.